Good morning, guys. So today I want to talk about what relative strength is. I talk about this a lot. You hear this catchphrase on the news and CNBC and this and that all the time. But what does it actually mean? Or are you looking for the right thing? Or again, do people make relative strength more confusing than it actually is? So what is relative strength? Relative strength is when it's very simple. When you have a market day like yesterday, which was the 17th, market pulled back 400, Dow pulled back 400 points, everything was down 1.5% at some point. Apple, for me, was neutral or positive. So when the entire market was crashing, Apple was not crashing. That to me is relative strength. You're looking for companies that when all hell is breaking loose, you are looking for companies that are very solid and not following the rest of the market, or best case scenario, are positive during the day on the terrible market news. So how can we work this with different strategies of trading? Well, what I always like to do in the morning on big crash days or in the afternoon when everything's crashing is I go in and I look for companies that are up that day and I will write them down because those are relative strength stocks, especially companies like Apple, Caterpillar, Walmart, those types of companies that are not crashing when the rest of the day is crashing. That's what you want to look for because those companies, if they can withstand big market pull downs and tons of selling volume, more often than not, when it comes to when we're having a really good day or a really neutral day, they are going to crush it on those days. So this is how you can use the term relative strength and what it actually is to your advantage when you're going through these things. So following relative strength days, let's look at Apple, for example. Yesterday, kind of went down, went up, closed the day exactly where it was. And today, what I was doing, because the market is still down a little bit today, I was hoping that I was going to get some kind of bullish signal. I hate using that term, but that's what it is. And a big green engulfing candlestick. And you can see right now, there is a little bit of something there, but it has a long wick on it. I would love to see something like that fills out completely and takes out yesterday's doji candlestick, which if you don't know what a doji is, please watch the Trading 101 series. So that is something that is very important. And most importantly, on those days when you're getting smoked and you're finding relative strength stocks, what is the trend doing? I say it over and over and it's beating a dead horse, but I'm going to keep beating it. The trend is your friend. The trend is everything when it comes to long-term trading. Yesterday, when you look at Apple, let me try to see if I can zoom into this even more. Let's see here. So yesterday, when you look at Apple, you can actually see with everything that happened yesterday, the trend it's over 80%, but it actually popped up on us. That is so rare in a market, especially for a tech stock like Apple, that it has been the FANGs have led the market up. They've been responsible for 45% of the run so far since 2015 or something like that. So that means that when we have big down days, they're going to be the big drags on the market. With yesterday, the fact that it was not dragging on the market, that is a stock to keep a watch on, and that's why it's in our Employed Trader series. If you guys don't know what the Employed Trader series is, excuse me, it is a conglomerate of 5 stocks that I have chosen and I trade with every single day. So not only that, I will go into the Bid and Ask Nation and I give an update every single day. So our 5 stocks are Apple, AbbVie, the drug company, Bank of America, Caterpillar, Lockheed Martin, and Walmart. So every single day I will update you on what to do with those, whether we buy them, whether we don't do anything with them, whether we sell them short. But the beauty is that we can make money going up and down because we are going to be shorting. And when all of this falls apart, we're going to be shorting and making tons of money on these different stocks. Caveat to that, my ambassadors have been phenomenal. Cash was actually the one that threw Lockheed Martin in there the other day because he saw, let's just pull up Lockheed Martin so I can show you what he saw. I talked about this on the morning show. By the way, you can watch me on the morning show every single morning, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. on YouTube. So the great thing about Lockheed Martin is it has wonderful ebbs and flows. When you get a good trend going up on Lockheed Martin, you can really capitalize. This stock price, I mean, from the point where we would have bought this thing, probably right in here, $359 to $390 in a 1 month period. That's great. On the way down, we could have shorted this. $400 to $360. It has really great solid trends. Even coming over to here, let's see here. Coming over to here, you had great trend up, little bit of a snapback, capitalize on the way up. When it came down, very defined. That's what I like. I like that Lockheed Martin has very, very defined trends and defined candlesticks that give you a lot of price movement, and that's why we added it in. So right now, cash so far year to date is doing 20% in his trading portfolio. Another one of my ambassadors, he makes a certain amount of money per month. He day trades now. Each week, he makes as much money as he does in the entire month. So right now he's bringing in for his family basically 5 incomes, 5 of his work incomes right now. I mean, guys, this is incredible. Not only do you get access to me, not only do you get access to them, not only do you learn all of this stuff that I'm teaching you and we are teaching you, you get access to this wonderful community of 800 people in the Bid and Ask Nation. You get access to all of the software that we've created at Everything Money. There's a lot of exclusive content. I mean, I don't know what else to tell you. I don't know how else to sell this. I know how else to sell it. I'll pull it up here like I do on the morning show. If you want to join, patreon.com/everythingmoney, $76 a month right now. It's going to 100. And like I said, you get access to everything and you get access to that employed trader series. So if you are a busy person and you think that you don't have time to trade, please come, learn from us. I will guide you through this and we will go from there. Additionally, there's something I wanted to say. Aha. Somebody on the morning show today asked me, I only have $1,100 in my account. I can't afford the Bid and Ask Nation. I'm not ready to make money and invest this and that. I do not agree with that statement. I think that's the wrong way of thinking. I think that when you have $1,100 or $0, you should be learning how to invest because you're probably 18, 22, 25 years old. When you get to the point where you're making a lot of money, you're going to have to say, what am I supposed to do with this money? I don't know what to do with this. I'm going to go find a financial advisor. Instead of doing that, why don't you take a couple of years, learn exactly what you're doing, and when you get money in your pocket, you know exactly what to do to hit the ground running with value investing, with day trading, with momentum trading, with long-term trading. Whatever it is, learn your process now so that when you do eventually have money or more money, you can hit the ground running and you will crush it. And we here at Everything Money are here to help you. Join the Bid and Ask Nation. Watch me every morning, 9 a.m., Monday through Friday. You guys have a great day.